Hello student. Before it we have studied about outbreaks of revolution. In 14 July 1789 there was a revolution in France and middle class played very important role in this revolution. Today we are going to study about France becomes a constitutional monarchy. Now, what do you mean by the constitutional monarchy? Means there was a monarchy, king was there, but that king was controlled by the constitution. It means king has no divine power. Now, king do everything according to the constitution. Let's start. The National Assembly completed the draft on the constitution in 1791. You all know that third class declare himself, means middle class declare himself National Assembly, and they tried to make the draft the constitutions. So in 1791 they drafted the constitution. Its main object was to limit the powers of the monarch or king. Now the power was divided between legislature, executive and judiciary. You all know that there was the famous views of Montesquieu. According to the Montesquieu, the power was not in the hand of the one person. It should be divided between legislature, executive and judiciary. So, National Assembly divided the power between legislature, executive and judiciary. This made France a constitutional monarchy. Now, in 1791, France became a constitutional monarchy. Now, this was the constitutions of 1791. Means their views and about the political situations, political administration. This is divided that according to the 1791, there are two classes: active citizens and passive citizens. Active citizens are those who above 25 years and those who can pay the tax of 3 days of their labor. Means property is the main. Who were rich, they have given the right to vote, and those who have given the right to vote, they were active citizens. Others are passive citizens. Means there are only 4 millions of the people out of 28 million people, those who were active. No, most of people were passive citizens. Passive citizens means those who have not given right to vote. About 3 million men, women, children and the youth below 25 not given right to vote. Here one thing is clear my dear, the women has not given right to vote. And passive means those who were poor and those who cannot pay the tax of 3 days of their labor, they have not given the right to vote. Means poor people have no right to vote. Now these active citizens means cast their vote and elect electors. They elected approximate 50,000 men in electors. Means these electors are directly elected by the people, and after that these electors elect National Assembly. There are 745 members in National Assembly. Means National Assembly is not directly elected by the people, it is indirectly elected by the people, because people elect electors and after that electors elect National Assembly. Now this is legislature, this is executive and this is judiciary, the division of power. Now legislatures means National Assembly control ministers, which means executives. National Assembly also control king. Okay, but the king has power, one power, that was called veto power. Veto means to deny anything. Means if any rule and regulations which king was not agree, then king can use veto. Means he can deny that rule and regulation. So same, the judiciary is elected. So this is the political system under the constitution of 1791. One thing is clear, my dear, that right to vote to given only those who were rich, not for the poor people. For today it's okay. Thank you.